I think I just blew a speaker listening to the new 5-Finger Death Punch. Son of a... Alright, I'm changing the oil on this 2.4 Accord, and I figured I'd show you this specialty tool. This little thing right here. It's designed to go up on the oil pan, and it stops the oil from making a complete mess down there when you take the oil filter off. So it's only made for these like 03 to 07 2.4 Accords, but if you're doing a lot of oil changes on those models, man, this really helps out because they can make a mess. So I'll show you how it works. Come on. Forgive me if the cooler's making too much noise. It's 106 out today. It's hot. And you can see I have it in place right there. And usually, if you can see the oil filter up there, usually when you unscrew that, the oil gets all over this right here. You can see the remnants of doing this before. And so this helps direct it into the drain pan here. Definitely helps out a lot. Keeps from making a big old mess. Let's go ahead and get that filter off. And you can see here's a shot of it from the other side. Just sits in there. And you can see it definitely prevents a big old mess. Thing really comes in handy. Torque it to spec. We don't want to get in trouble for not torquing it to spec. Put the filter back in. I already got it in. And pull it off. That's how easy it is to use. Got a nice little magnet. Well, there you go. If you have a 2.4 Accord, 03 to 07, this tool can really help you out. As you can see, not much to it, but if you like changing your own oil, it definitely makes it a lot easier and cleaner. And as always, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.